Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste, and also I'm gonna show you clipboard on Lenovo LOQ 15. So to copy or paste something, you can copy text, files, images, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna copy the file first. So you can either right click on it, then click on copy, then click somewhere you want to paste it and click on paste, and it'll be paste. Actually, it hasn't been placed in the way that I wanted, but you can see that it has been copied and pasted. You can also do that by clicking on a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut will be Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. So now I'm going to show you that on an example of copying text. So if I type in, for example, here something like HardReset, and then I select it, click on Ctrl+C, then I can delete it and click on Ctrl+V to paste it. I can paste it somewhere else as well, into Notepad or any message. And then I'm gonna show you the clipboard. So to open clipboard, instead of Ctrl+V, you need to click on Windows+V. So this is the key that has the Windows logo on it and V at the same time. So let's click on it because it has closed, unfortunately. Then you need to turn it on, and the clipboard will have a history of a few things that have been previously copied. So for example, if I've copied HardReset, then if I now, for example, go to like Notepad and type in something else, like and I select all of that, then click on Ctrl+C. Then when I click on Windows+V, I'll see that I have these two things. I can also pin something to have it always on my clipboard. Or if not, then after a certain time it'll just be deleted, so you can just easily, paste something from the clipboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.